You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this cultural event in Mexico. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary from Mexico, stay tuned. If we have more videos for you, you want to learn from the local pronunciation, Mexican or Spanish. Guelaguetza. Que, so it's not gue, guelaguetza. Guelaguetza is how to say it in Spanish correctly. Now, in English, if you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, you can say it as Guelaguetza, Guelaguetza, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.